welcome back to Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia. I'm Sharon Coleman. With me is Dr. Sonia. We've been talking about an amazing procedure, laser resurfacing, and which is a remarkable procedure in and of itself, but this is not the only procedure that Elite MD offers.
Absolutely not. There's a wide variety of procedures that we're able to offer, and the most popular procedure has been laser liposuction, which is a great way to lose inches pretty quickly, all done in the office with very little downtime. So you're back to your daily activities within, a couple of days.
Quickly.
So a lot of people will choose one area to do it. A very common area will be the neck or the abdominal area, and they may choose another area to do afterwards because they've had such great results. So that's the nice part about the laser lipo is there's very minimal downtime and a very popular way to go. But there are a wide variety of other treatment options that we do offer, which include anti-aging treatments, laser procedures, Botox and fillers, breast enhancement surgeries, and other body sculpting procedures.
Breast enhancement procedures. Okay, this reminds me of an email that we have from a gal named Rebecca in Napa. She has a question for you. She's 42 years old. She's had 2 children. She's concerned about what she considers sagging breasts because of breastfeeding. What would Dr. Sonia recommend?
Well, Rebecca, thank you very much for your question. It's actually a very popular question, especially with women after pregnancy, after breastfeeding. Yeah. There are definitely a variety of options that are available now. The first, biggest thing that I would suggest is to seek out a board-certified plastic surgeon who does have experience in breast enhancement surgery. The second is there are a variety of procedures that are less invasive with minimal scarring, and no, you don't need to have an implant done. So there are definitely options available these days.
Now, this leads me to one of my favorite parts of the show. You always have such great advice.
Oh, thank you.
Do you have a tip for us?
I always have a tip for you.
I'll take as many as you can give me.
The most important tip that I have for my patients is to always seek out somebody who is a board-certified doctor, especially a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon, because they really have the most amount of expertise in all of these procedures that we're discussing, including a wide variety of other treatment options that are available. And you want to make sure that they all are experienced and are keeping up with the most innovative technologies, because there really is a lot to choose from these days.
Yeah.
But don't forget the basics. Don't forget your daily sunscreen, and don't forget your once-a-year skin checks to help treat and prevent future skin cancers. So that's my prescription for health and beauty.
Because prevention obviously is one of the keys.
The most absolute.
Thank you, Dr. Sonia.
You're welcome.
Well, that's it for our show today. Unfortunately, thank you for joining us with Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia. If you have any questions for Dr. Sonia, please visit EliteMDSpa.com. Click on the link for Health and Beauty with Dr. Sonia.
The information and advice given on this program is for general informational purposes only. For medical advice on specific treatments, medical professionals should be consulted. You should not initiate a course of treatment without consulting a qualified doctor. The opinions expressed on the program are those of the guest and not those of KRON TV, its management, employees, or advisors.